Grade 3. Grade 3. Sorry, my mistake. When I'm in grade 3, I'm playing Pokemon games.
Oh.
Then,
What game?
afterward, when I'm Pokemon games. The first Pokemon version that I have played. Yellow version, red version, green version, and then red version. That's the four version that I have played, man.
56B version.
Don't talk. You have nothing to learn, man. Don't beg at me, you're such a beggar.
Hey, I have something to ask you.
Yeah.
Can you translate to English?
Yeah.
Can you translate the word hampas lupa? Hampas lupa in English.
Okay, hindi ko nga alam yan. Kasi kanina ko. Hindi, pre. Hindi siya, pre. Hindi ko pangalan yan, pre.
Spunk Earth.
Pre, di ba kaganina ko pa sinabi sa'yo, hindi ko alam yung taga-English yung ampas lupa.
No, you didn't tell me that.
Stupid, by the way, stupid eh.
Ha?
Yung Pokemon.
Ang Pokemon.
Ang Pokemon,
Shot muna.
what the kind of bullshit
Introduction pa lang yun, ha?
Mm.
Wala pa yung biography niya.
Yuck.
Pre.
Siyempre.
Hey, don't use alibi like that loser. See that loser. Hey, Liban! You're a loser! Okay, back to you.
Na Pokemon? Ako naglalaro ka ng Pokemon. Name all the Pokemon. Patay ka. Ang kilala ko lang,
Number 1, Bulbasaur. Ivysaur,
Venomancer.
Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Charmander, Charizard, PG, Pidgeot, Karate Cake.
Sabi mo yung skills nila, ha?
Name all. Okay. Hey, name
Isang bote ay isang baso, ha?
Name all the Pokemon. Start from Ash.
Pre, I have known all the Pokemon, but for now, I'm very dizzy, man. So I can tell you all that, man.
You're DC. I can panel you, man.
You can tell me about that thing tomorrow.
No, fuck you, man. No.
I can tell you all that, man.
No,
So,
you're DC.
We can have our own discussion or our conversation.
No, you're
tomorrow.
You're DC, but I can anti-spike you, okay? I can tunnel you.
Can you sing with us, man?
Sing the Pokemon team. I wanna be the
Very best.
Yeah.
No one